Well, back at the makerspace again, and I'm planning on finishing all the soldering work on this guy, so let's get to it, I guess. Enjoyed that build montage, finished soldering on the split and the VTX and the receiver onto this guy, so that's that. And now I'm here at the skate park and I'm going to test this out, go see how I think about it, and I guess this is the end of the build, and here's its maiden flight. Okay, so yeah, just did a bit of chase footage there, crashed out, and actually an ESC wire got knocked loose, and I'm gonna have to do a bit of field repair to get that reset up again, and otherwise I just want to give you my basic impression right now of the split system. I honestly hate it. I'll show you the DVR real quick of what happened, and it looks terrible. So yeah, once every maybe 30 seconds, I'd have to reset everything because there'd just be way too much static to fly. So I guess that's that, and yeah, let's get back to repairs. Just finished rebuilding and back to flying, I guess. Well, I guess this is a note from post. This is a day later. I managed to get this to work properly, I guess. The static issue, it was really more of a problem with the VTX being soldered onto the 5-volt regulator rather than the BBAT, which is a problem. And I guess now the video from the DVR is actually okay. It's not as good as like a normal FPV camera, but it's flyable at least, so that's good. Still has a bit of static that I can't explain. I think it's from the split, but otherwise my only issue with this right now is that, first of all, the Armattan Gecko, you have to actually shift the camera forward because otherwise you're gonna get the rims in view. Actually, all the footage from this video, actually, you can see the rims, which kind of sucks. I had to crop it out. I guess here's a clip of the raw video, I guess. But anyways, my other problem with this is the fact that these motors are kind of a bit delicate. I still have a lot of spare motors for this. These 1407 RCX 3400 kV motors, but they're kind of just getting used very fast because they burn out a lot, and yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to look for a different motor next time, and I guess that's it. Till next time, I guess.